Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best judiciary civil services coaching in your city Hyderabad? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I will be discussing with you top 4 institutes for best judiciary civil services coaching in your city Hyderabad. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank number 1 in this list is Kautilya Academy for Judiciary Civil Services Preparation in your city Hyderabad. So friends, the website of this institute is www.kautilyaacademy.in. Now let's discuss what this academy is all about. Kautilya Academy is India's largest and most engaged community for online learning. Kautilya Academy, with expert and experienced faculties, is setting new heights of accomplishments in offline as well as online courses mode as well. Moreover friends, Kautilya Academy works with an aim of developing the ignited minds whose objective will be something beyond more selection in the examination. Furthermore, at Kautilya, they believe that access to quality content when combined with the power of online communities can make the learning process significantly more collaborative and engaging. Hence, you must all definitely visit Kautilya IAS Academy once for sure for this examinations preparation. Moving towards our rank 2 institute, we have Plutus IAS Academy in Hyderabad. Friends, this institution is one of the greatest institutions for this examination, and also it has completely gone online, so you don't have to worry to succumb to COVID-19 situations and all these things. Now let's talk about the features of Plutus IAS Academy in Hyderabad. Number 1 feature being, this IAS coaching institute in Hyderabad, which is also famous for their judiciary civil services, has very small IAS exam preparation batch sizes so that you can interact with the teachers and other students better. Number 2 feature is, Plutus IAS Academy in Hyderabad offers top judiciary civil services coaching in Hyderabad. Number 3, Plutus IAS coaching in Hyderabad has the best strategies and tips to crack this examination as well. Alright, now let's talk about certain contact details. As I have already told you, this is online live interactive coaching center. Number 2 is the contact number. So their contact number includes 8448440231 and their fee size is 1,40,000 rupees, and this is the fees for full IAS course. Now let's talk about the Google ratings and the email ID. Their students rating includes 4.9 stars out of 5 and their email ID is info@plutusias.com. You can connect to this institution via this email ID or the website as well. Alright friends, moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. Before moving on to what this institution is all about, let's just discuss what this institution's contact details is. Number 1, address being Srinivasa Plaza, F number 008, road number 7, Beramogoda, Hyderabad, Telangana 502032. Their contact number includes 8800222298. Now let's talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So friends, optional course plus GS includes a fees of rupees 1,60,000 and this is the course fee for 9 to 10 months. Alright, now let's talk about the batch size. The batch size is 75 to 80 students in one batch. However, they are still manageable and accommodate students in a very well and fashioned manner. The email ID of this institute includes info@thehinduzone.com, and please note their website is www.thehinduzone.com. Okay, so one interesting feature of The Hindu Zone IAS Academy includes that this coaching provides you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The website I've just told you, please go there and visit yourself on that website, get registered yourself for a completely free of cost counseling sessions. The mentor will guide you that what is best for you, which coaching you should do, and therefore you can give a good result in your judiciary civil services examination. This is the exclusive offer you get in this website and the institution, which is The Hindu Zone Academy. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 4 institute, is Yojana IAS Academy for Civil Services Judiciary Preparation in Hyderabad. Okay, let's begin with knowing their phone number, address and their mail ID. Their phone number includes 8595390705 and their email ID includes info@yojanaias.com. Friends, the website of this institute is also similar, which is www.yojnaies.com. Now let's understand why you should join this institution and what are their main features. The first feature of this institution includes live online classes for this exam preparation. As individual attention is given to every student, irrespective of one's standing in merit at any point of time, aspirants can save a lot of time, money, and effort in learning at their comfort of their homes. The absence of other students ensures that you concentrate better and have fewer distractions as well. Number 2 feature is recorded online IAS coaching videos. It happens many times that some students like to binge watch the videos at night, so you can do this as well. Sometimes students tend to miss the classes, so that they can also avail this benefit of recorded online IAS coaching videos, which includes your examinations details, your subject details of judiciary, civil services, and every other thing. Third feature is that they have a very experienced faculty who are delved into their subjects. And number 4 being that the best IAS study material is provided by this institution, as Yojna IAS provide a comprehensive study material that follows a spaced learning approach and scientifically designed to cater to evolving demands of this examination. So friends, these were our top 4 institutes for best judiciary civil services examinations preparation in your city, Hyderabad. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.